This is the April Pretty Obsessed box, guys. Stay tuned to see exactly what we've got in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. So this is the April Pretty Obsessed box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, and I need 115 more. We are getting there, guys. We are getting there. I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I do get to 2,000 subscribers. I'll link a video here. That's just going to show you what the 3 prizes are. The main prize being the 2021 glossy advent calendar. But yeah, let's have a sneak peek. Right, so this is inside the box. We have, what's that? That's just a leaflet for them. Yeah, but this is inside the box. Very nice, neat presentation. Just gonna open that up. Let's move those products further up. There we go, guys. So there is a sneak peek of the products. So this box is their luxury box. There's 10 full-size items in here, and this costs £24.99. I actually have wrote down the other boxes they do, because they do quite a few boxes. They do a premium box, which is 5 full-size items at £14.99. They do a skincare and pamper box, again 5 full-size products for £19.99. They do a makeup only box where you get 5 products in there for £19.99. And they do a ladies essential box where you get 6 to 7 products in there to help with that time of the month, and that's £9.99. So if you want to treat yourself to any of those beauty boxes that they do, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box. That will get you free postage, which, let's face it, every penny helps at this day and age. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we have in the luxury box. Right, guys, with this box we don't get an edit card, but you know what, because I'm getting 10 full size products, I don't mind that one little bit. So I'm just going to pick something up randomly and we'll have a chat about each and every item. The first item we have is this. So this is by the brand Anatomicals, and this is a firming face mask. It just says, "We can see we need to be firm with you." Lovely. So like any sheet mask, take it out of here, slap it on your face for 20 minutes and remove. Nice, easy, to the point. That will be going in my face mask drawer. I like to try and do a face mask Friday series where every Friday I'll do one, unless I have another video to upload on that day or if I'm busy. The second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Tabitha Eve Beauty, and these are makeup pads. 4 reusable facial pads made with organic cotton. These are eco-friendly, made in the UK, and antibacterial, for a life with less waste. Okay, I mean they're very different from the other kind of like makeup pads that we get or have had in other beauty boxes. But yeah, they're really nice. But yeah, I really like the print on these. Are all of them the same? Yeah, all of them have the same print on. They feel really nice actually, and really decent quality. The third product we have is this. So this is by the brand Bubble Tea, and this is a calming pillow mist. So we get a lot of pillow mists in different beauty boxes, and it's kind of like overkill, basically because it's normally the same brand that we get. So it is nice to get a different brand, and it's actually a really decent size. Look at that. The packaging is really cute. What does it say? For a good night's sleep, spray on your pillow. And yeah, it has a delicate fragrance that'll help you sleep. We shall see about that, because I have really bad insomnia, so infused with neroli and tangerine essential oils to help keep you relaxed and improve the quality of your sleep. Okay, so very nice again that it's not the usual lavender, even though I love lavender. But let's have a smell. Oh my god, that smells absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, cool. I I'm actually really happy to get that. The fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Old Faithful and it's called Reunion and it is a cleanser. So there's 25 mils in here. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. We have a cleanser in a pipette bottle. So I've just popped a little drop there just to have a look. Smells very pretty smell. It just says how to use massage cleanser onto a dry face with gentle outward circular motions. This will lift dirt, dead skin cells and makeup. Leave to soak in for about a minute and yeah, run off in the basin or with a flannel. Yeah, cool. So basically, yeah, it's an oil, a facial cleansing oil. That it feels very nice and smells really pretty. Fifth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Dirty Little Secret and this is, what is it? Oh, it's a lip gloss and it's in the shade Bare. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty packaging. Oh yeah, and that is bare, isn't it? Let's just do a little... Oh wow, so yeah, that is very nice indeed. It has tiny barely there little the odd shimmer here and there, but yeah, let's just, because we don't normally put it on that thick, do we? So that is what it looks like. That's really nice. If you're into like the old concealer lip or a good old bare lip, this is barely there. I actually really like that. This item we have is this. So this is by the brand Give Them La La Beauty, and it is a liquid highlighter, and it says Diamond Drip, Princess Cut. So, ooh, so we have a cute little pipette bottle. Oh, she's thick. So let's just put some here. Look how thick that highlighter is, guys. It's a really lovely colour, like pinky tone. I've put it on way too thick. Let's just share it out a bit. There it is there. Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I am in love with that. That is so cute. The seventh product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Phase Zero and this is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Wine and Dine. I must admit I do prefer just a normal lipstick or a gloss. I've yet to find a matte that I am totally comfortable with, but yeah, that is the shade there. Wow, that's like an orangey peachy colour. Let's have a look at this one. Right, so there it is there. I've just popped it next to the gloss there. Yeah, it's like a coral peach colour. Very pretty. But would definitely have to obviously put that on and see what it's like on the lip. Hopefully it's one that I like. But yeah, straight away the colour is stunning. Product number 8 we have is this. So this is by the brand Sophia Mabel and this is Lip Slick tinted lip oil. Okay, I actually really love a lip oil, and it says, is that the shade Beach Please? I think it is. Yeah, it is there. Look at that colour. I don't know if the camera is showing you very nicely, but it's a nice pink colour. It almost, look on the edges, it almost looks like it's got like a polarization, is that a word? No idea. Yeah, let's just get out and test it, Joanne. It's just a sheer with a hint of pink, which is actually really pretty. It went on really smoothly. That'll look nice on its own or over a lipstick or whatever you want, really. Yeah, lovely. Ninth product we have is this. This is by the brand Emery Nails and it's a gloss nail polish. This is in the shade Paloma. It looks very nice. I think I have this shade already in this, so I'm not going to open it up at all because I'll probably end up putting this in a giveaway. But yeah, that is the shade. So it's like a nice nude nail. Yeah, and lovely. Now we're on the final product in the box, product number 10, and it is this. So it's by the brand Dirty Little Secret. We did receive something else by that brand, but we have this, and this is this is an eyeshadow in the shade Bikini. Ooh, that's what that looks like. Let's open it up. Oh, it's like a bronzy colour, so very nice. Let's have a little swatch of this. And there it is. Oh wow, guys, look at that. That's going to be a lovely topper on a lid. That is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice. Guys, so this is the April Pretty Obsessed box. What do you think? Personally, I really love this box. Yet again, they've pulled it out the bag. I'm really, really happy that I've signed up to this box. To get 10 full-size products for basically 25 quid is really good. I'm really, really happy. We have some skincare, we have some makeup, a nice little mix between the both. Would have been nice if we had like a little hair product, then they would have covered all bases. But no, really, really like this box. I think there's only one product, I like it, but I'm not ecstatic about it, is the makeup pads. But they obviously will come in useful. They are a very useful product. So yeah, I am happy that I've got them. I'm just not ecstatic. So yeah, we have a lot of things for the lips here. We have an oil, we have a liquid lipstick, we have a gloss. Yeah, I mean, we have a little bit of eyeshadow. We've even got a cleanser to remove all of that makeup. Something for your pillow, something for your nails, and a face mask. Yeah, I'm really, really liking it. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Hopefully you like it too. Please remember, if you are interested in getting this box or any of the other boxes that they have on their website, click the link down below in the information box or the comment box, and that'll get you free postage. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.